Hi, ma'am. Hope you are doing well. I am done with the development and I'm going to show you the demonstration how it's gonna work. So basically, I have added some extra columns as well, which is the total revenue, the projected sale price, the PayPal fees, and purchase cost, purchase price, and the quantity. So quantity multiplied by purchase price will be the purchase cost plus the eBay fees and PayPal fees will, and then we have a revenue which will be the sell price multiplied by the quantity. Okay, and the profit will be the total revenue minus total cost minus eBay minus PayPal. Okay, so rather call it profit loss. Okay, so it can be any. The easy way to use is this button I have just created for you. You will click this button and you will have this form open. Okay, here you're gonna enter the product name. For example, the product name is dress. If you have a URL, you can add a URL or XYZ, whatever you would like to add. Okay, the description. Okay, let's say this is Zara apparel shirt size 50, let's say. So this first and the last going to be in your SKU number. Okay, the brand name is Zara men, let's say. And if you want to enter this field or not, whatever, you can enter. Okay, you can see the eBay fees and the PayPal fees percentage. These are the percentages and fixed percentage which you told me, but you can change it anytime if you would like. Okay, so basically this is the quantity. Let's say you're going to purchase 10 quantity. Simple, enter 10. The purchase price is, let's say, $50. So it says the total cost is $50, and system itself calculated the based on the 500 multiplied by 8.5% is 42.5 is the eBay fees, and the PayPal fees is 6%, which is 6. So the total cost including fees are 548, and let's say you are going to sell it for $70. So 700 minus this is going to be, this gonna be your loss, this gonna be your profit, sir. And if you want to record this entry, simply click record. Are you sure to record this entry? When you click yes, the data has been recorded, and this is the SKU which is generated. Press OK, and at the back you can see, okay, this number is auto generated, right? The primary code, I believe this is going to be the auto generated by default. And you can see this is the Zara dress 1501, okay, SKU, and this all the information have been punched. No formula, a real value is punched. So in case if you want to remove this entry, you can simply right click and delete this entry, as simple as that. And you can add a new entry if you would like. Let me know if you have any question or you need any further assistance. I would love to serve you. Thank you so much, ma'am, and have a nice day.